I once heard a remarkable story about a dog named Hachiko who became a symbol of loyalty. Every day, Hachiko would wait at the Shibuya train station in Japan for his owner, Hitsuburo Ueno, to return from work. Tragically, Ueno passed away unexpectedly, but Hachiko continued to wait at the station for nearly 10 years, showing up at the same time every day. His unwavering devotion touched the hearts of many, and people began to notice him. Eventually, a bronze statue was erected in his honor, reminding us of the incredible bond between humans and animals. Hachiko's story teaches us about loyalty, love, and the profound connections we share with our furry friends.